Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Keeper or KP3R token. In today's video, I want to show you how the price line of Keeper is breaking out a falling wedge after a long time period and what can be our next targets. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame. And here we can see that the price line started the formation of this falling wedge on 13th of November, and it was rejected so many times by the resistance and also having a very nice bounces by the support as well. But here we can see that this is really very important. While moving to the downside, the price line reached here, and we can see after touching this point, the price line is moving up. Here we have the 100 daily simple moving average support, and we also have this support of $577, the price level support of $577. Now, if we take a closer look at this support of $577, then we can see that previously when we had this powerful rally in the month of September 2021, the price line was strongly rejected by this resistance level. And before that, we had this rally in the month of December 2020, almost a year ago. We had a very powerful rejection. So this was a really very powerful resistance from December to September, from December 2020 to September 2021. And finally, the price line broke out this resistance here in November 2021 with a powerful buying volume. And after this rally, we had a rejection here. And after this rejection, the price line started the formation of this falling wedge. And finally, the price line is out of the resistance. So far, we did not have the closing above the resistance of this falling wedge on the daily time frame. But if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, then here we can see that the price line is closed above the resistance, but so far the price line is not able to close above the highest price of this candlestick, which broke out the resistance of this falling wedge. Once we will have a closing above the highest of this candlestick, that is $850, that will be another confirmation for the breakout. And you can also see that we also have a 100 simple moving average on the 4-hourly time frame as a resistance above the price line. Now let's talk about the targets. I'm just switching back to the daily time frame. Our first target can be here we have a very strong resistance, approximately at $1,310 or $20. This will be a very strong resistance. And our final target that I'm expecting that the price line can move up to this level because this is the breakout of the falling wedge. And in case of breakout from the falling wedge, our expected target is normally at the tail of the falling wedge. And we can expect that the price line will hit this target. That is approximately $1,940 or $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.